Hi Leos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Leos, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. Leos, we are picking few cards, guys. So these are for your general energies, Leos. This is for your relationship and this is for your career situation, guys. If you want more clarity in your situation, Leos, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy. So let's start with these cards here now, guys. We have whips, bouquet and snake. So in your situation, Leos, there are people maybe in your career situation, or this may be an energy in your relationship. This person is hiding something. They have maybe they are here with you in your work, or they are here in relationship with you to make use of you in some ways. So you do not see their true face today. They are someone charming and they may act as your friend or a family member, but below that face, that beautiful charming face, they are holding some grudge or some jealousy, or it may be ambition. So you need to be careful, guys, Leos. If you have a vague idea who it will be, you need to stay away from this person, guys, Leos. And I also see that maybe in your situation today, someone is criticizing you, or you are criticizing them, or maybe someone, they do not, you say few things just because you love them, you are really concerned about them. Maybe they have some problems, maybe some health problems or some financial troubles. So you are very concerned about this friend or a family member, and you are telling them, giving them suggestions, guys. But this person does not like it. They are arguing with you and they are criticizing you for what you are saying, and maybe they do not understand your true concern on them, guys. And this person is simply, what to say, trying to avoid you. They do not like you for what you are saying today, guys. And maybe for some of you, I also see that you are into some kind of habits. So it may be some behavior, some repetitive behavior. It may be, if it is something health oriented, like some form of exercise, dieting, you can go ahead, guys. But if it is something negative, like drinking, smoking, you need to stay away from it, Leos. So some kind of routine repetition is what is happening. So that may be really stressful for you, guys, Leos. So this may be your energy or your person's energy. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. We have lilies. So it is a positive card here, guys. You are having a beautiful, intimate relationship with this person. You have a great understanding. You both share mutual love, respect and caring. And things are going in a positive way in this relationship. Maybe this person may be your karmic destiny, guys. That may be the reason for this level of bonding and understanding you both have. So that may be the reason for this card, guys. Let's see what is the card for your career situation. It is tree. So you are building a strong foundation in your career. Things are going to go in a very positive way, guys. And we also have negative and positive cards here, guys. So maybe the problems you face, that may be something very small, not something huge. It may be something that is in your power to resolve, guys, Leos. So that is the reading with these cards, Leos. If you want more clarity, guys, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with this card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start with this card. I will keep this card aside. So we'll see what it is. We have the Wood Maiden. Trust. That is the card, guys. So with this card, it just means that in your situation, whatever is happening to you today, whatever is unfolding, you need to trust that. Trust in the moment. Maybe certain things may look unreal. Maybe people are gifting you, or the experience you have, it may look like something magical and you cannot trust yourself for the things that are coming towards you, guys. And you need to be really careful with whom you share your gifts today. Maybe you are in a wonderful situation, but you need to share it with people only whom you trust, guys, you on whom you have that total trust. Because maybe some people, they may just they may not believe you, but some of them, they may just try to rob you of your opportunities. So this is the time to believe in what is happening to your you in your situation. Maybe some unbelievable changes are happening in this relationship, in this love. So whatever gifts or whatever blessings that you are getting today, you need to hold on to it, cherish that moment and be happy for how things are going today, guys. And even smallest things can bring great happiness in your situation, guys. So if you are content, if you have that contentment in your heart, even the smallest of blessing is going to fill you with happiness and emotional satisfaction. So that is the energy. And whatever good things that you did, maybe your good nature or your hard work, whatever it is going to bring you great rewards. That is also the energy with this card, guys. So that is the reading with this card, guys. So let's see what is the second card for those who chose this card. Let's see what is the card. It is Cherish Innocence. So with this card, guys, it just means that you should not make if you are in the verge of making some important decisions today, this may not be the right time. Maybe this is the time for you to be cheerful, have that innocence in your heart, and face your situation with less fear and more wonder. Act like a child, guys. And we should not take anything too seriously. When you are happy and when you are cheerful, just like a child, you are going to let yourself enjoy the simplest things that you are facing today. And you are going to feel light, less responsible, and less burdened today. And maybe you are going to simply feel so much better if you are able to go out, enjoy a little with this person you love, allow yourself to laugh and see your situation, just enjoy, have fun with friends or family or with this person you love, and your situation is going to change magically, guys. So you are going to feel happy and you are going to cherish that inner child each and every one of us have. So when we go for this childlike pleasures, It is simply going to help us heal and rejuvenate, feel rejuvenated, feel fresh. So we can take on our situation more strongly, guys. So for those who chose this card, that is the energy with this card, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.